back. Delhi's Ghazipur continues to be really the flashpoint after the UP administration asked protesting farmers to vacate the stir site. Section 144 has been imposed in the area. Crowds have again built up at the border. After many farmers left the site yesterday, many farmers, mostly from western UP's Baghpat, Meerut and Muradnagar, have once again come back to the site to express their solidarity with the stir. This comes after farmer leader Rakesh Tikait broke down and announced that he's sitting on a hunger strike. Tikait vowed that he will not end his agitation and would prefer to die instead of actually surrendering. His tears really became the elixir to revive what was becoming a thinning protest. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, other AAP leaders are currently at Ghazipur border. They met with Rakesh Tikait and extended their support. Earlier in the day, Rashtriya Lok Dal leader Jayant Chaudhary also met farmers at Ghazipur.
बात होगी, ठोक के बात होगी किसान के इशू पे। किसान ना हारा ना हार का जाएगा, किसान जीत के और सम्मान के साथ में जाएगा। सरकार का कोई सहयोग हमको नहीं मिला। समरसेबल की मशीन आएगी, यही ट्यूबवेल लगेगी, यही पानी खोदेगा, यहाँ का ही पानी पिएंगे।
क्या अब लगता है अभी सरकार या पुलिस आप पे कार्रवाई करे?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं, जो करना है करे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
अब जिम्मेदारी ये है कि उसकी पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए, पूरी कॉन्स्पिरेसी की जांच होनी चाहिए कि कैसे वो लोग वहां पहुंचे, किसने उनको भड़काया था, किन लोगों से वो बात कर रहे थे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जिन नेताओं के नजदीकी नेता वहां पहुंचे हैं, तो क्या इसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने साजिश की? मैं पूरे समर्थन में पूरी तरह साथ हूं और हम चाहते हैं कि इनकी मांग जल्दी से जल्दी पूरी हो। हम केंद्र सरकार से भी अपील करेंगे कि ये तीनों कानून जिनके लिए हमारे किसान भाई लड़ रहे हैं, उनको तुरंत वापस लिया जाए।
जो लोगों की मंशा थी वो ये थी कि गणतंत्र का हम हिस्सा हैं, गणतंत्र हमसे है, लोकतंत्र हमसे है और एक आम नागरिक किसान होने के नाते हमारा भी अधिकार बनता है राजधानी में जाने का। उस भावना के साथ हम वहाँ गए थे। किसी को कोई मंशा वहाँ उजाड़ने की नहीं थी। ये तो बनाने वाले लोग हैं, ये परिवार को बनाते हैं, देश को बनाते हैं, संभालते हैं। तो ये कोई देशद्रोही आतंकवादी या अपराधी नहीं बैठे हैं, बहुत समझदार लोग हैं।
कल जो सुरक्षा व्यवस्था बढ़ाई गई थी या आज भी जो सुरक्षा व्यवस्था बढ़ाई गई थी, वो इन कारणों से बढ़ाई गई थी कि कहीं एजिटेशन की आड़ में कोई गलत तत्व उसके बीच न घुस जाए या किसी तरह की कोई गड़बड़ी न फैला दे जिससे कि पूरा माहौल खराब हो जाए। लेकिन कुछ लोगों ने इसको अननेसेसरी कि साहब पुलिस फोर्स यूज़ करने जा रही है, ये सब आशंकाएं, संभावनाएं जिसका कोई बेसिस नहीं था, इस चीज़ों को कराया।
Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us live from the Ghazipur border in Delhi. Aishwarya, you've been tracking this protest for the last many weeks. Do you see the crowds being more in number, swelling up than it was before?
Well, definitely, we are seeing a sea change in the last 24 hours. The people were in fact thinning out yesterday, but now today you see all these people, all of them sitting on the tractors. Most of them have returned back to the protesting site. A lot of them have come from adjoining areas of western UP. Almost 15 tractors made their way to the protesting site, all of them chanting the name of Rakesh Tikait. We'll just speak with them. आप लोग वापस आए हैं, किसका समर्थन करने आए हैं?
अपने कानूनों का समर्थन करना है, जो ये कानून गैर कानून है इनका वो विरोध करने आए हम।
इस तरह से राकेश टिकैत जी ने कल बोला सब लोगों को कि आप लोग वापस आइए, तो आपको लगता है कि जो उन्होंने जिस तरीके से लोगों को बुलाया है तो और लोग भी आएंगे यहाँ पे शामिल?
बहुत भारी संख्या में आ रही है, बहुत भारी संख्या हमारे हर गाँव से हर वर्ग से लोग आ रहे हैं। किसान कोई जाति धर्म ना है, एक जाति का एक विशेष है, हर जाति का किसान है, हर बिरादरी में किसान है।
सब आएंगे यहाँ पे?
आना रहे आ लिए हर गाँव से।
So this is what people here have to say. A lot of people are now making their way to the Ghazipur site. The emotive appeal which was made by Rakesh Tikait has definitely struck a chord. And we did see a beeline of tractors coming from the state of Uttar Pradesh, and the farmers now say they will not budge till the time the government does not take back the 3 farm laws.
Okay, Aishwarya, thank you for joining us with that ground report. So in Ghazipur, you see that again emotions are running high, and with fresh resolve, many people have now arrived there to protest. At the Singhu border, there was a counter-protest against the farmers, and these protests were by locals against, in fact, what happened on Republic Day. They say that they've come together against the Republic Day violence and the insult to the tricolour that happened at the Red Fort. These are locals who are saying enough is enough. They're talking about the kind of inconveniences they faced because of this agitation, and they're saying that it's time for the farmers to pack up and leave so that life can return to normal. Many of them that we spoke about how they're struggling because their businesses and establishments have shut down since this protest began. Huge security deployment over there as a lot of protesters have gathered. Now, this is locals from Singhu who are saying that they've been inconvenienced hugely because of this protest. They say that for the last many weeks, they continue to tolerate it because they stand with the farmers and their sentiments are with the farmers. However, after the Republic Day violence, they believe that they don't want these protests and this agitation to continue at the cost of their establishments anymore. Yesterday also, we saw similar scenes of a counter-protest. Today too, a similar situation playing out at the Singhu border. And the worry is that this will lead to, in fact, the escalation of chaos and of tension, which is why you see such a huge security deployment on the ground as well. The police essentially creating a wall, a separation between the farmer protesters and these locals who are protesting at Singhu.
इनको सिर्फ यही कहना चाहते हैं हमारा हल करो जी। क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? हमारे देश का तिरंगा जी बहुत चोट लगी हमारे दिल पर बहुत चोट लगी जी इसलिए हमारे हो गया हमारा कारोबार ठप हो गया है बहुत कुछ है जी यहाँ के दिल्ली पुलिस भाई जिनको मारे पिट्टे क्या कमजोर है हमारे पुलिस भाई के किसान है जो उनको भी फसल का दाम नहीं मिल रहा है हमारी गोभी चल रही है गोभी बिल्कुल पिटी पड़ी है एक पैसा नहीं कमाने को मिल रहा है इनकी वजह से
5,000 फैक्ट्रियां इस एरिया में 5,000 फैक्ट्रियां हैं कम से कम 1 से 1.5 करोड़ मजदूर है वो सब भूखे मर रहे हैं किसका कसूर है किसका कसूर है बताइए सिर्फ छोटी सी चीज पे
आप कहाँ से आए हैं
अकबरपुर बरोटा गांव से
कितना दूर पड़ता है वो यहाँ से
सिर्फ 6 किलोमीटर सारा ट्रैफिक ये
मैम इतने आए फिर कल को पता कितने आएंगे फिर हंगामा हो जाएगा इनसे राजी
Let's get you all the updates coming in from Muzaffarnagar. That's where a Mahapanchayat of farmers is underway. It's increasingly getting political. The likes of Aam Aadmi Party and RLD are also going to be there for this Mahapanchayat. So up Sanjay Singh, RLD's Jayant Chaudhary will be joining the Farmers Panchayat. Milind Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Milind, what's expected to be the big outcome of this Mahapanchayat meet? Is there going to be a discussion not just about what the road ahead is, but also about what happened on Republic Day?
Well, definitely. See, I'm here at Muzaffarnagar and this is the whole ground where the Mahapanchayat will just begin in a short while as soon as Naresh Tiket and everyone take the stage. And just look at the crowd around here before I tell you. Just look at the number of people who have gathered here today. It's chock-a-block, and I would like my camera person Pradeep Gupta to show you all across. People have come from not just Muzaffarnagar but many areas of western Uttar Pradesh to join in the farmers' protest. In a way, what unfolded last night has brought these people together. The Mahapanchayat will certainly discuss issues related to the farmer protest, and very importantly, they will discuss whether or not this huge crowd of farmers who have come here on tractors and trolleys should move towards the Ghazipur border. Remember, last night itself, many of these people have started moving from various villages from western UP as well as Haryana towards the Ghazipur border with their tractors and trolleys. And right now also that's where the center stage is happening, the event is happening, and currently most of the union leaders have reached here and they are hailing Rakesh Tiket's efforts to bring all these farmer unions together today, which is why Naresh Tiket has called for this huge gathering across Muzaffarnagar, and the crowd swelling with opposition leaders like Jayant Chaudhary as well as Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party will be reaching her in the later half of the day. But at this point, let me tell you, the enthusiasm, Akshita, on the ground is palpitating because there's so
the emotions, going by what you're telling us, Milind, the emotions are still very, very high. We'll be tracking the latest. Milind, for the moment, thank you.